How to change password on Yahoo Mail on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Yahoo Mail application on your device and make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Once signed in order to change your password, tap on your profile icon on the top left of your screen and further tap on the settings option you see there. In here, tap on the Manage Accounts option and under your account name, you will see the option for account info. Tap on that. Now further, tap on the Security option. You will be asked to enter your Face ID or passcode for verification purpose. Tap on the Allow option and further enter your Face ID and then tap on the Change Password option you see there beside the Password tab. You will then be prompted to enter your new password. So go ahead and enter your new password in the text box there and make sure not to use a variation of an old password or any personal information. Once you have entered your password, tap on the Continue button, and with this, as you can see, your password has been changed successfully. You will be automatically logged out of your account once the password changes successfully. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.